In this video, I will show you how you can compress photos on any iPad. Now, if you want to compress the size of any photo on your iPad, now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your iPad. After you do that, then just tap on Open and select Allow Full Access. Now just select Ask App Not to Track, then tap on Select Photo to compress. Now from here, just select any photo which you want to compress, just select it, then tap on Next. Now as you can see, the original size of the photo is 3.6 MB and it can be compressed to 867 KB. Now you can change the dimension of the photo as you like, just like that. And you can also increase or decrease the photo quality, just like that. Now once you have customized the quality and the dimension of your photo as you prefer, then just tap on Compress. Now if you want to keep the original photo, just select Keep Original Photo, or you can select Delete Original Photo. I will select Keep Original Photo. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Photos app, as you can see, we have compressed the size of the photo. As you can see, this is the original photo and its size is 3.6 MB. And this is the compressed version and its size is 598 KB. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.